Question 2 then. I've written them down over the page. So, show there's no value of theta such that this equation holds. We've got an equation in sine, haven't we? So we need to replace the cos squared. So cos is 1 minus sine squared theta. So we've got minus 6 sine squared, which I'm going to move over here to plus 6 sine squared theta. And then we've got minus sine theta move over to plus sine theta. And then we've got 4 from this bracket here. Plus 8 is 12, so move it over to minus 12. So what do we have? Minus 4 sine squared minus another 2 is minus 6. Move it over to plus 6. And then we had minus sine theta move over to plus. And we had 4 plus 8 is 12, minus 12, so that's fine. So, we've got an odd. I'm going to try 3 and 2. What about 4 and 3 then here? Because there's a mix-up, because it's only a difference of 1. So 4 and 3. So 4 are the smallest, and 3 are the biggest. 9 and 8 gives a difference of 1. 9 and 8. So this would need to be a plus, wouldn't it? Plus 9 minus 8. I think that's right. 6 sine squared. Plus 9 minus 8 is plus 1 sine thetas, and minus 12. So that tells us that sine theta is equal to 4/3. Sine theta is equal to minus 3/2. Not possible. No solutions for theta since minus 1 sine theta is less than or equal to 1. Okay, that's part A. Part B then. X to 180, 2x. So 2x will be 360 is where we need to solve this angle. So let's draw a circle. CAST from 0 to 360 done. Sine is negative. It's positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. 2 lines. Alpha associated acute angle. Sine alpha then is equal to minus 0.515. Drop the negative, of course, because it's acute. So alpha is equal to shift sine. Shift sine 0.515. 31 degrees. So we've got 2x is equal to that. 180 plus 31 is 211 degrees. Or, 2x minus 75. I'll get it right in a minute. The angle is 2x minus 75. Because the angle is 2x minus 75 and 2x minus 75. Or 2x minus 75 then, degrees, is equal to, round to here. 360 minus 31 is 329. Yeah, so 2x, add 75, 85, 86, 286. 75 to 330 would be 405. So is it 404? I think so. Do it on the calculator if you need to. So x is 143, or x is 202 degrees. These are the two answers inside the range, but the only thing is x goes... what's the problem here? Oh, we've gone round to 404. 329 is the right one. So the 2x minus 75 is the angle in question. goes from minus 75 then to 75 off that, 285. So this actually is equivalent to, take 360 off, 385 there. So take 360 off. No, hang on. 285. So what do I do here then? I got 404. Okay. But the only solution is x between 0 and 360. So this corresponds to 2x. That's fine. 329 is fine because it's within the said range for 2x. But it says that it goes to 285, which is too big. So that isn't a solution. So I'm going to scratch this. And 329 is outside range. Because the 2x minus 75 can only go up to 285. The equivalent here, if you take 360 off, take 360 off, you get minus 31 degrees. So this is fine. So everything's looking a bit better now. So then you get, that's better, to minus 31 degrees, and that's inside the range. So 2x add 75, you get 44. So x equals 22 degrees. There we go. That's it. So that needed a bit of careful evaluation. Here's the range for 2x minus 75, which is the angle in question. We went from x to 2x and then took 75 off all the way through. Then we adjusted this to the correct angle in the range for this angle in the respective circle. And then we could work out the answer for x. Part C then. Find phi. So here we've got 4 sine theta, sine phi over cosine phi, plus 7 sine phi equals 0. So take a sine phi outside, we get 4 over cosine phi, plus 7 equals 0. That tells us that sine phi equals 0, or for cosine phi equals minus 7. So this would tell us here that cos phi is equal to minus 7 minus 4/7. Minus 4/7. Yeah, minus 4/7. Sine phi is 0. So from sine phi is 0, we know that that's going to be 0 to 180 from our picture. If it's in the range, part C, yep, that's fine. And cos phi, C-A-S-T, cos is negative. It's positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. Alpha, alpha. It's only this angle here we need in the range. So cos alpha is 4/7. Shift cos 4/7. Shift cos 4 divided by 7. 55.15. So phi will equal then 180 minus the 55, 124.85 degrees. And these two solutions also.